Hi everyone, I'm just here today to talk a little bit about the importance of keeping up to date with your monthly repayments. Now, a few years ago, we didn't have our repayment history information recorded on our credit reports, but now we do, 24 months worth. So what happens if you've missed some payments? Well, it will pull your credit score down and potentially it could stop you from getting approval from certain lenders who offer the best interest rates. So moving forward, go and have a look at your repayment dates, your due dates for your credit cards, for your home loans. Make sure you're paying on time. And it's really important, if you think that you're going to miss one, get in touch with your lender straight away and make sure you organize some sort of plan so it doesn't get listed on your credit report as a missed payment. For more tips about credit reports and how to proactively look after them and protect them moving forward, please go to our website, creditfixsolutions.com.au. Thanks for listening.